Okay, more pictures. This is 2009 in Beijing with Xianshen and Jianfei. This is 2010 in Florence with Chonghua, Ramesh, Yong, Hassan, and others. Okay, this is more pictures. This is 2011 in Stockdale with Tao, and 2012 with John and Theo. Okay, so we enter the second phase, which is what I call trying time. So we try different things like image sentiment, multimedia sentiment recognition. We also did work on user profiling, and we studied some user behavior. More pictures. Okay, so 2013 in Barcelona, I had a nice dinner with John and Liang. In 2014, okay, we didn't go to eat. We actually stuck in the hotel having a retreat. So the whole community was pondering what the next big direction should be for the multimedia community. All right, so for user demographics interest prediction, we use Flickr data. We can predict from the image and image connection user interest in 34 categories. And later on, we use WeChat moment images to build user profiles such that we can classify users into different user types. On the image sentiment work, this was among the earliest paper in this area. Basically, we try to use deep learning, but we need a lot of labeled images. We can't afford to hire people to label a million images. So what we did is we built a SVM classifier to machine label a million images. But the machine labels are not that good, right? But nevertheless, we can try to use machine labeled images to train a CNN. And we proposed a scheme called progressive CNN, where we actually use a SVM classifier as a beginning to get initial machine tags and confidence. And then in each round of training with CNN, we try to select the most confident samples by some probability criteria, and then retrain the CNN in another round. In the end, we could improve the performance to about 78%. But as a multimedia researcher, we like to work with multimedia, right? So these are image trees with images and text. So here we try to perform joint visual textual sentiment analysis. We published a series paper in Wisdom and MM again. This one is about using cross-modality consistent regression scheme, which outperform early fusion, late fusion in terms of sentiment recognition for entire trees. So we get to some 83% range. So in the same period, we also built a large-scale data set for image emotion recognition. I believe today it's still the largest data set. At that time, our benchmark performance is about 58%. It's a very challenging data set. I believe the state of art today is probably only 10% better. So I encourage more people to work on this hard data set. So we look at